Kids, Stories, and More is here, so let's all gather near. Art and cooking, movement too, reading, science, all for you. Jump and shout and cheer, hooray! Kids, Stories, and More is here today.
Hey, D-Nice, need me to shovel you out?
Hi, Kevin. Oh, that's so kind of you. I think I'm good, but you know what? I could use a playmate.
Sure.
Want to have a play date with me?
Yes.
Want to know what this is all about?
Sure.
Come on over. Where we live, we have 4 seasons. Now, it's not spring, it's not summer, it's not fall. What season is it,
Winter?
everybody?
It's winter.
It's winter! Isn't this beautiful? It's a sunny day. I even put sunscreen on because it's so beautiful. The sky is blue, and I thought I need to get out of the indoors
Yes.
and explore. So you want to play with me?
Yes.
Okay, I got this idea.
Oh.
How
let's see
about
this.
making a snow volcano?
That sounds interesting.
It does sound interesting. Want to give it a go?
Sure.
Okay, so before you can make a volcano, you need to make a mountain, right? Because it's what's inside the mountain that erupts and then the lava comes out.
Right.
So what do you say we build a nice round mountain over there? So I brought this scooper and I brought extra shovel.
I got a
Oh, you
shovel.
happen to have a shovel on you. Okay, here we go. Ready? Start piling up. Oh, boy, I'm glad you arrived with the shovel. That is going to be awesome. Oh, this snow is so perfect for packing. Oh, it's so good also for throwing. One thing at a time. Okay. We'll do this, and then I bet you have ideas we can do since we're outdoors, finally. I was getting so tired of being inside. You know, 90% of my time has been indoors with everything that's going on. I'm so happy to be out and enjoying this beautiful weather. You do. You get it. Oh, boy. Kevin, this looks great. I think we're good with the mound of snow. Now, come and shape this into a beautiful mountain of Vesuvius.
Yes.
Ooh, we should have some music out here. All right. How about making a moat around it? Oh, just snow is so deep. Oh, we got a really great snowfall the other day.
What was it? 3 feet?
Yeah, was it?
Either 3 or 2.5.
Oh, could make a snowman with this too.
Seriously.
Okay. Oh boy, this looks powerful. Okay, now, what we have to do is drill a hole in the top of it because, of course, that's where the lava erupts, explodes. Okay, can you hand me that black shovel, please?
Sure.
I just happened to bring that to make. We're going to make some holes. Pokey, 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 pokey. And then, once we've made enough of a hole, I need a cup. So I brought some large cups, medium-sized cups, small cups. And you know why we need the hole?
For the lava to erupt from.
For the lava to erupt, exactly.
Otherwise, it'd just be a mountain with a hole.
That's right. Okay. And the next step is we need to put a cup in there because the cup is going to hold all of the ingredients that's going to make it erupt.
Right.
Let's see. I have glass, large, medium, plastic, or the little white one, small. Which one do you want to
I
use
think we
first?
should maybe use like these.
Perfect. Okay, one, because there's 3 in there. Pull one apart and stick it in. Oh, good. Oh, I need to make a bigger hole. Hold on. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get in there. Get in there. Oh. Okay.
Nothing happened.
We're good.
Yeah.
Now comes the ingredients. Okay. First thing we need is baking soda. Please give me the baking soda. And I read the directions and it said 1/4 cup. I'm going to eyeball it. You ready?
Yeah.
1/4 cup. Here we go. La 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 la. Looks like 1/4 cup to me.
Yep.
Works for me. Thank you, baking soda. You stay over there.
Yes.
Then the next thing we need is for the, let's do the dish detergent. They said the dish detergent, which you don't need, it's kind of optional, gives it a nice fuzzy kind of reaction. Okay, all right, here we go. And that was supposed to be a tablespoon. Looked like a tablespoon to me.
Yep.
And now, some food coloring. And I'm going to let you pick the food coloring.
Let's see what we got. Since it's a volcano, we should do something close to red or something.
Oh, perfect. Okay, Kevin,
Yeah.
here's your job.
Okay, how much drops are we doing?
Oh, go for it. Give a bunch. Make it dark. Nice. Okay.
Beautiful.
Here, take that. Put the cap back on. Okay. Now I'm going to stir it. Stir it up. Make it nice and loose. What they said. Okay. And here comes the reaction. When you mix the vinegar with the baking soda, it has a chemical reaction. It begins to foam and explode. And I'm hoping, fingers crossed, good luck. Let's see if this works.
Let's do this.
I'm hoping it will work. So, let's try it. Oh, I want to do something else. Wait, I got an idea. Want to build lava lines?
Yes.
And have the lava go down those lines?
Oh, that'd be cool.
Okay, all right, let's do that. I brought this scooper.
Okay.
This is my ice cream scooper.
Oh, wow.
And you can just use your hands.
Yeah.
Okay? All right, here. We'll go up to here and down. And down.
I'm gonna try to make mine do a curved path.
Oh, that's a great idea.
I gotta make it branch off.
That is so clever.
So I'm doing is branching it off into different directions.
That is such a good idea. Okay. All right, all right, all right. Okay. Hope this works. And if it doesn't, no big deal. We just
Do it.
try again.
Right.
Okay. It's a beautiful mountain. I think I want to go skiing down this mountain.
Yes.
Alrighty. Are you ready for the reaction?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Wait. I got something else. What if we make this a challenge?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm in.
Look. Okay.
Okay.
We could put. I just made these colored dots.
Nice.
We could use these as the finish line.
Oh.
Which color would you like?
Blue.
Okay. And which lava line do you think is going to get to the bottom first?
I think. Let's say this one.
Okay. Did you make up that? Okay.
Yeah,
and
I made
I'm
that one.
going to make this one, and I'm going to do pink.
Okay.
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 And here we go.
Why not?
Maybe our friends say green. All right, Kevin. Now comes the exciting part. Back
Okay.
away. Oh, maybe we should have our goggles on. Well, I have my glasses on. Oh, that looks so good. Okay, ready? You're going to pour. Need any help?
Okay.
Okay, come on.
3,
Lava.
2,
1. Go. Go. Harder. More. Pour more. Go. No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes.
Hurry. Pour more. Get down my. Oh, wow. Oh, your line won. Look at it going
Oh
down
my
the
God!
lava
I
line.
thought I branched off to that.
You did a great job.
Wow!
That is so
That is
exciting.
beautiful.
Beautiful. Hey, how come it's yellow? I thought we picked red. Huh? Wait a minute.
What?
Excuse me. The cap is yellow. You and I got so excited we didn't even realize that.
Oh wow!
No big deal. Let's do it again.
Okay.
Let's do it again. What color do you want next? This is obviously
Green.
green. Should we do green?
Sure. I mean, you just have to remove the cup, right?
Okay. How are we doing on the vinegar? Oh, look, it's still bubbling.
Oh wow!
That's
wow.
so good.
Why is it only going in one direction? Is my question.
You know, that is a really good question. Why do you think?
Well,
Be a
I
s-
think because it's kind of uneven, so maybe.
Yeah, you're on the right track. Yes, that is very observant of you.
Wow,
And
look
you-
at the pool there.
Yeah. A what?
There's a pool right there.
Oh, how fabulous! Do you
What?
know what's uneven too? The cup is uneven. The cup looks like it's
Oh.
tilted just a little bit.
Right.
You know, so if you play this game, you kind of want to make sure the cup is straight.
Right. So maybe
The-
we should even
the-
out the inside.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. Yes. Yeah. You might have to do that the next time. Even out the inside so the cup sits straight, and make sure that all of our lava lines are cleared away at the top of that cup. Okay, let's try again.
Three.
So you put a different color in?
Yeah, it's
what
green.
color?
It's
You pick
green.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so your vote is that is
Da-
going to get travel to the bottom
Yeah, and
first
branch off of this one.
this way. And I'm still sticking with my lava line. The pink one, it's going to go down this way.
Okay.
Come on. All right, here we go.
Okay.
Vinegar, do your trick. 3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
We should probably back away.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Come on. Oh, look at that!
Come on, we need more lava! Oh, look at it foam and bubble!
I think it's
That
gonna
is the
block it.
coolest part! Oh my gosh! Wait,
Wait,
No,
what?
Come on, you can do it! You can do
Wait,
it! Here, last part of the vinegar. Let's see what happens! Oh man, it's bubbling so cool!
Okay, I did not want that to happen.
Yeah, that is beautiful!
Okay, it's branching off. It's branching off. This is good. It's good. It looks kind of cool, though.
I love that!
Wow, yours actually stopped big.
Come on, get down here! Come on!
Oh, wow. Okay, it's only time when one
Da,
side.
da, da, da. Congratulations! You are the winner of the lava line race.
Yes.
That was so much fun.
Yes, it
Next
was.
time, I'm going to get a lot more vinegar.
Oh,
So we can do it
yeah.
over and over again. I'm so glad you could join me for a
Oh,
little play date. Do you have to leave?
No.
Oh, good. Let's do something else in the snow.
Okay.
Okay. What else can we do?
I don't know.
How about a snow angel?
Okay.
Would you do a
Yes.
snow angel with me?
Yeah.
Come, in the sun. And by the way, boys and girls, if you see yellow snow,
Do
please.
not eat it.
Warning, warning, yellow snow, no go. Okay, come on, let's
That's
travel over
for the
here.
rice.
Snow angels, go. Oh, the sky is blue. It's so beautiful. If there were clouds, I would start saying, what shape does the cloud make? But there is no clouds because it is a cloudless sky. Woohoo! Like a windshield wiper.
Seriously.
Okay, let me see. How does mine look?
Beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, you. It's so. All right, Kevin. I need you to help me up. Come on, help me up, because I don't want to destroy. 2 hands. Ready, set. Come on, Kevin. You can do it.
Okay.
Well, there you go. That's another thing we could do. Yeah, we could have snowball fights. No, I got you. I got you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
I'm
5, 4. Oh, oh, you get away from that tree. Oh, I got an idea. Let's make the tree our target. Come on over here.
Oh, okay, yes.
Okay.
Let's see who can do it farthest.
Who can hit the target?
Okay.
Ready, go. Oh,
Wow.
oh man.
Okay.
Ready, go.
Come on.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Okay. All right. Come on. Oh, my goodness.
Oh, wow, that was
good
hard to-
aim. How come mine's going like...
Oh! Oh,
How'd you
no!
get it up that high? Okay.
Okay,
Oh.
I went higher. I went higher.
I don't want to...
Your...
What my snow angel look like?
Oh my gosh! To the high
Well,
got
that's what
that.
you get when you can't get out of it. Thank you so much for joining me, Kevin. And you too. If you like this, press it. Subscribe. We're so happy to see you every day, and there's new things every day. So, D-Nice says goodbye, and remember, do something nice for someone today. Thanks for you doing something
You're
nice and
welcome.
coming over.
Oh, make someone smile today.
Yeah. D-Nice says, do something nice.
Mimi's message, put a smile on someone's face today.
Friend shake.
Ooh, boom, boom. Air high five, spin, shake. See you soon.